Good morning, friends, students, viewers, and well wishers of GITAM University Center for Distance Learning. I am Suresh. I have been receiving many calls and WhatsApp messages to know much about the facilities provided by GITAM University Center for Distance Learning to the students who have already enrolled with us. Hence, this video is being made. Kindly log into the website. It is very simple. Type the URL as cdl.gitam.edu. cdl.gitam.edu. This will land to our homepage. On the right hand below corner, you will find student portal. This student portal requires some credentials, that is the alphanumerical number which is being given to you during the time of your registration, where you might call it in three different phrases, that is ID, roll number, or registration number. Once you enter the roll number or registration number or ID, password is required. What is the password? Password is very simple. PASSWORD. Password. Once you enter the password, this will take you to the student portal, where the student portal consists of 13 to 15 icons. Each icon has more information which will guide you with the latest events, which has a profile icon. I would insist you all to get into the profile icon, have a cross check of the information what you have provided. If at all any mismatch is there, do update that information and save the particular page, which will get recorded in our portal, which will also help you in future to generate your PCMG. PCMG is nothing but provisional come consolidated memorandum, which carries all the 3 years grade cards or 4 semesters grade cards or 2 years gradings, what you have scored, which will be issued to the student after the successful completion of your desired program opted with GITAM University Center for Distance Learning. Now, in this, there is an icon called as online grade card or online digital grade card. In future, students will not be getting the hard copies or physical copy of their grade cards, where student is able to download this particular grade card, which is secured, which cannot be tampered, which carries QR code. Once you download the grade card, the QR code, once you scan it, either the recruiter or the higher institution, if you want to go for further education, this will give more information about your journey or your studies with GITAM University Center for Distance Learning. I would insist you all to get into the portal, have the access, change your password also for your future reference, which will help that no other person would access your account, which is a lifetime account which is being given to you. Hence, kindly instruct your course students also to enter and access this for the further information. Hope this information is enough for this time. Kindly subscribe, share, and for much more information, give your comments in the comment box below. Happy day. Have a great day. Thank you.